Cool, right? As you saw, I just created a professional photography portfolio in minutes. Clean layout, elegant animations, and all the sections ready without me writing a single line of code. And all of this was done using YouWare, a complete studio where you create websites, dashboards, designs, and entire projects just by describing what you want. Shall we see how it works in practice? So, let's get to the video. And the most interesting thing is that using YouWare, you can generate complete websites with AI. Professional templates, prompt assistant to automatically improve ideas, fine adjustments to layout, palette, and structure, a clear and intuitive dashboard. And on top of all that, the credits care feature, which gives your credits back if the result isn't what you expected. It's simple, fast, and much more powerful than it looks. So let's get started. After clicking the link that's going to be down here in the description of this video, you'll come to the platform, and now I'm going to show you how I created that portfolio from the beginning of the video. Well, there are several ways. You can simply type your prompt here, and there's a really cool feature here called the prompt assistant. And what does it do? When you start typing, it automatically gives you some suggestions to improve your prompt. So, if you like the suggestion, just press the tab key and it will automatically generate the prompt for you. So, this is essential if you don't know how to create a prompt. Another option you have here is the templates. So, if you're out of inspiration, just click here on Explore, and then you have several examples, several templates here that you can choose from to get inspired and create your own project. Let's suppose you like this one. Just click on it, and here you can preview it to see if everything is okay, working properly, and if it meets your needs. If everything is alright, just click here on Remix. Then you'll take this project and make it your own, personalizing it according to your needs. So, here in the Explore tab, there are several templates you can use, and everything is divided by categories. So, here you have games, productivity tools, education, presentation, landing page, dashboard, and portfolio. Everything is available here for you to customize. Since I already had an idea in mind, I didn't use the templates. So, I went to the platform, clicked on Create, and it opened this dashboard for me, which is very clean and very easy to use. Then, I simply pasted my prompt. And speaking of prompts, take a look at how my instructions here are complete. So, that's very important. A good prompt generates a better result. That's a rule. If you put a basic prompt here, your output won't turn out well. So, if you don't know how to make a prompt, you can use the prompt assistant from the tool itself or go to another AI and ask it to write what you want. It will create the prompt and give it to you ready to use. So, I put my prompt here. And now, something very important. You can select which artificial intelligence model you want to use. Available here are Gemini 3 Pro, GPT-5 Codex Cloud, 4.5 Opus Cloud, 4.5 Sonnet, and so on. There are several models here. You can choose which intelligence to use. When you hover your mouse over them, a relationship between speed and intelligence already appears here. So, for example, in the case of Cloud Opus 4.5, I have speed here with 3 points and intelligence with 5 points. Now here in Gemini 3 Pro, everything is the same. 4 for speed and 4 for intelligence. So, you can choose here according to what you want to create. In my case, I selected Cloud Opus 4.5. Here in this selector, you can choose if you want to implement it with MCP. So, you have several tools here, including Supabase and Google Maps. If you click here on the plus sign, there are all these other apps here that you can use to integrate with your project. I'll just keep Supabase and Google Maps selected, and I'll click here to create. Look at what it did here. The whole thought process, set up the project, did everything properly, completed the tasks, and in the end, delivered this result to me. So, I have a complete photography portfolio with home, about, services, gallery, testimonials, and contact. Everything working perfectly. By the way, it added these images here generated by artificial intelligence, which I hadn't even asked for. So, that's really cool because we can already see the power of YouWare. Because instead of just putting that placeholder, meaning the spot where you could put an image, it already inserted an image here. Look how interesting that is. And with all the buttons working perfectly, with animations, everything just right. But if you want to make any changes, there are some options. For example, you can select Visual Edit here. So I'm going to click, and from this moment on, I can select any part of my project here to customize. I'm going to change the photographer's name here. Where it says here, Lucas Mendez, I'm going to erase Mendez and write Lucas Minari. Take a look. In just a few seconds, I can make any kind of change. It's a really cool editing process because it's completely visual. So you can see what you want to change. It could be an image, it could be text. Then you come here, click on the item, and make the change you want. Look at that. The art of seeing and living. Done. I've already added it. When I exit the visual editing mode, it asks me to save the changes. I'm going to save. The button appears here showing that it's being saved. It shows here that 2 changes were made. See that it's updating my project here. Done. It's finished updating and everything is working perfectly. Here, the photographer's name has been changed. And here, the art of seeing and living. Everything is perfect for me to publish. Now, if some errors happen during the execution of the project, the artificial intelligence itself can fix them. And for that, just click here on Autofix. Automatically, the AI will understand what's wrong and will fix it for you. Another really cool feature, the boost. So, when you click, you can see that it already gives me some suggestions to enhance my project. I can, for example, improve the visuals, modernize the user interface, and I can also enhance the animations and transitions. So, all of this is done by artificial intelligence. I'm going to click here because I want to modernize my UI, that is my user interface. I'll select it. My prompt already appears here. And then I just need to send it. Now, I just have to wait a little bit and it will update my entire project. So, this is a really cool feature because sometimes you finish your project, but it feels like something is missing. So, you click here on Boost and let the artificial intelligence suggest what can be changed. While it's finishing up improving my website here, I want to show you a feature that's really important, especially when we're just getting started. See, I'm gonna go here into my profile and then into credits. And then I have access to all the credits that were used to create my project. And a very important detail is that if your project doesn't work out, if you don't like it, if some errors happen, a feature here called Credit Scare gives back the credits that were used in that project that didn't work out. So, it's a way to save because sometimes, in trial and error, we end up spending a lot of credits. So, if your project doesn't work out, it automatically returns the credits to your account. There you go. It's already finished modernizing my user interface here. So, it made some subtle changes, mainly here in the services. Look how cool. Portraits, events, editorial, commercial. And then here I have my gallery. So, he made some small changes here, mainly changing the layout of some sections of my site, but they turned out really interesting. He made the look a bit cleaner. By the way, if you don't like it or think it got worse, you just need to come here and select versions. Look, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4 versions. If I don't like the change that was made, I just need to go back to the previous version. So, this is amazing because sometimes you make some kind of change, you don't like the result, and then there's no way to go back. Here, that's not the case. Since you have access to the versions, you can choose the one you like the most and restore it to the project. Now, another interesting thing is that you also have access here to the codes and files that were used to create your project. So, everything is right here. If you want to copy it, it's available. Then, if everything is correct and you don't need to edit anything else, it's time to publish. And for that, just click here on Publish. If you are using a free account, just click on Publish and then automatically it will generate a link for you and you can share it with whoever you want. Now, if you are on the Pro plans, then you have the option here to use your own domain. So, if you already have a website and a brand, you can use your own domain to customize and create a new site. So, this is really interesting, especially if you make money on the internet. So guys, try it out and then come back here in the comments to tell me what you thought of YouWare. Pretty cool, right? So, this is YouWare, a platform where your ideas turn into real projects, no technical skills, no complications. If you want to create your website, your portfolio, or any other project, just click the link in the description and create your free account right now. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye.